In this JusTap review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to tap into the same NFC technology that people use on credit cards and telephones to make payments. Now you're going to be able to use that to run your business. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out JusTap, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here, a lot of them with developer rights. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says NFC Tech Agency app creates contactless digital business cards, generates leads, collects payments, gets followers, collects reviews, and so much more with just a tap. Set up the first NFC tech agency and help businesses grow in never before seen ways. Now you're going to want to check out the video that I'm going to tack onto this in a second, as it's going to explain this a little bit more, but it's a very interesting technology. If you've ever made like payments with like your phone and like tapped it like an Apple Pay type thing to pay before, that same type of technology can be used in multiple ways. However, you need a way of actually setting it up, and this will allow you to do that. You can create business cards, you can capture leads, you can run different campaigns, sell products and services, and etc. Even creating an agency with this in order to provide this as a service to businesses. Now, there's some real examples on the sales page here of like tap and share contacts, displaying profile pages, generating leads with this, getting more followers with this as well. Tons of different use cases that you can actually see this in action. Again, it's a very unique thing. I've never seen anything like this before. You can initiate a text conversation, collect reviews and ratings, view a restaurant menu, pet information. You can make it so like someone can go up and just like put it up against a pet and it will load up a bunch of information. Just tons of different things. I'm sure a lot of you will have your brains working with this and thinking of other things, other uses as well. Step 1, create a card by choosing a business or a local niche template, or you can even design one from scratch. Customize the blocks however you want. You can even add in or remove blocks. Click publish as a contact card, a URL, or even set it up like a text message, WhatsApp, email, or call, and then copy the published URL and write it to the NFC tag and a snap using any free NFC writing app. So they've obviously got tutorials on all that. You can see some of the templates that it comes with here, and there's more examples of how to use this right on the sales page here. They've got more talking about organizing them, creating your contacts, creating your local business campaigns, adding multiple blocks, banners, phone numbers, email IDs, social media profiles, all these different things that you can add into this using the power of this app here. So if we look down here at the options for purchasing this, on the front end, there's going to be an offer to purchase this, and you can go through the sales funnel if you want to. You can get the personal or the commercial license. The personal is going to give you 2 workspaces. The commercial is going to give you a lot more, a lot more stuff here. Most people end up getting the commercial if you go through the sales funnel. However, there is a bundle discount. You'll find that link right here on my review page, this purple link right here. If you click over to that, you can actually get the entire sales funnel at a discounted price. I'm gonna go ahead and play you a quick video here, then I'm gonna come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and that bundle discount.
Hey guys, Chad Nicely here. On behalf of Karthik Amani, I'm super excited to introduce to you Karthik's first to market NFC tech agency app. It is called JusTap. Now, I think you're going to really love this app because it is game-changing for businesses and individuals in so many ways. And I'm going to show you how here in just a minute. So stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how you can fly high in 2023 and beyond with this incredible app. But first, you're probably wondering, Chad, what the heck is NFC and what are you talking about? Well, here's the official definition. You see, NFC stands for Near Field Communication. And what it is, it's an exchange of data, but it happens in close proximity, like less than 4 centimeters. So you're used to having a pair or a connect, you know, all that technology that we're already doing in our lives. Well, totally different now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to explain how this works. I'm gonna make it stupid simple for you. And I think that you're gonna be able to relate to this. Say that I'm making a purchase, all right? So it's time to check out. So I take out my wallet and I'm going to go ahead and grab a credit card or a debit card, right? And if you're at Starbucks or something, what do? You go ahead, you slide the card over the register, and it automatically charges your card, right? Well, that right there is NFC in play. And it's very popular currently for payments, and I'm here to tell you it is slowly growing in other fields. You have no idea how excited I am about this whole entire technology. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works with a short little demo, right? And this right here is the actual card. This card actually has the technology inside of it. So let me roll to the demo and you'll see exactly how this works. Pretty awesome, right? So the first time I saw this, I was blown away. And I was telling my girlfriend how incredible this technology was. And that's why I'm saying that Karthik truly is at the cutting edge. So if you go to a networking event or a business dinner or anything like that, this card right here is going to make you stand out. So instead of getting your business card thrown away, you'll be able to have them add you right there as a contact, right? So that really is incredible, and it's stupid simple. But guess what? You see, it gets even better, because right now this market is in the early stages and it is about to explode. So here's what I mean. You see, in 2025, the NFC market is all set to hit a whopping $34.9 billion. And I'm going to show you shortly how you can profit from this technology to build and scale your business and grab a huge piece of this pie. So what if I told you that this NFC technology is widely used in payments? It can also be of use to you as well as your clients in 100 different ways. So you're probably saying, this is incredible, right? Well, let's start with the contactless digital business card. Or how about using this tech to generate leads, collect customer reviews, ratings, grow your social media followers, sell products and services, and even collect payments. And you see, I'm just scratching the surface here. So let's first see the usage in the business cards, because business cards are very crucial for most people. And I've seen a lot of people spend a ton of money on those paper business cards, those really fancy ones. Do you want to know what happens to these cards? 88% of physical business cards that get shared are thrown away in less than 7 days. Very ineffective. So if you handed over a business card to someone and you're awaiting their call, well, guess what? I'm sorry to break it to you, but it's probably not going to happen. But JusTap has a smarter workaround for this, and that is your contactless digital business card. So next time you're meeting someone, I'm going to demonstrate this. Let's say that you're at a networking event, okay? This time, I'm going to go ahead and take out my phone. Okay, now I meet somebody and I want to go ahead and exchange information. Now I don't know if you can see this or not, but as soon as this card makes contact with that phone, remember it just has to be less than 4 centimeters, it went and opened up this profile page. Now it's either going to open up a professional looking profile page like the one I just showed you, or it could open up their phone book and they could immediately save you as a contact. And you could even set it to where it's going to open up a text message with a pre-filled message, and all they have to do is hit send, and now you have their phone number too. You can do this with email, Skype, WhatsApp, even Messenger. So how freaking smart is that? And just the digital business card market is set to hit $242.3 million by 2027. But here we are entering 2023 in just a few days. And if you want you and your brand to look amazing in front of your prospects, your customers, as well as your competitors, then you need to make the switch to these incredible digital business cards. Now, you can create these digital business cards for you or any other business using JusTap. You see, the app is loaded with a lot of business card profile templates in a variety of niches, which can be customized in a jiffy. But you see, that's not all. Karthik saw the application of this technology for businesses, specifically local businesses that are struggling to stay afloat post the pandemic. And he added in a ton of more features that will help local businesses in multiple ways. So using JusTap and the NFC technology, businesses can generate leads, collect reviews, ratings, display any information, features, videos, book appointments, get people on WhatsApp, text, messenger, marketing funnels, displaying offers, showing coupons, getting people to download an app, opening a Google Map location, and so much more. I'm just getting started, but don't get overwhelmed. You see, I'm going to share scenarios and examples of how these can be used by local businesses. Let's talk about creating NFC campaigns for restaurants to provide offers, discounts, get them on WhatsApp, ordering funnels, displaying the menu on tap, getting them to download an ordering app, or even collecting feedback and ratings. Or how about approaching pet stores to add an NFC tag to dog collars that they sell, right? And that can be customized with the pet owner information, and when it's tapped, it can be used to contact the pet owner, right? And that would happen if the pet goes missing. But how about setting up reviews and ratings for physical events? Restaurants, cafes, how about setting up an app to download campaigns? For example, you can set up an app downloading a campaign at a restaurant for a delivery app like Grubhub. So you put up a tiny note about getting an additional discount if the customer downloads the Grubhub app. Pretty incredible, right? There are so many different ways to use JusTap, and you could check out more ideas on the page down below. So if you think setting up these campaigns is difficult, guys, you know I like things that are stupid simple. And in fact, it just takes 4 simple steps. It's that easy, and it's 100% newbie friendly. 4 steps, right? So step number 1, create a card by choosing a business card or a local niche template, or you can even design one from scratch. Next, you're going to customize the blocks however you want, and you can even add or remove any blocks and give your details or your client details. Then you're going to click publish as a contact card, a URL, or you can even set it up to where it sends a text message through WhatsApp, email, or it could even handle a call. Then you're going to copy the published URL and write it to the NFC tag in a snap using any free NFC writing app. And once this is done, you can use your NFC tag to tap your way to profits, and that's it. I told you it was stupid simple. And what you should do is you should check out the demo down below, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. And I truly believe that you are going to be mind blown. So let's quickly go over the highlight features of JusTap, right? So you can create workspaces to organize your work for different clients and even map it to their domain. And you can also connect separate autoresponders and payment gateways for each of these workspaces. You can create contactless digital business cards that can be shared multiple times and can be quickly changed or edited. And this can be shared as a contact card or even as a profile page. You can create local business campaigns for multiple purposes, from lead generation, selling products, collecting payments, to even collecting reviews. You can add multiple blocks inside your campaigns and make your campaign page stand out. You can add profile pages, banners, logo, branding, contact details, images, videos, social media, profile pages, appointments, FAQ, testimonials, payments, and so much more. And you can publish a campaign as a contact card, any URL. You can open up a Google Map location. You can initiate a chat on text, WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, Skype, or even set it to initiate downloading an app. You can easily click the leads and even add the leads to an autoresponder. And if needed, you can even get QR codes for the campaigns. The app is loaded with business card and local business campaign templates, which can be picked and customized in a jiffy. And apart from that, you have CNAME mapping, major autoresponder integration, SMTP, ability to add retargeting codes, or even get detailed campaign analytics. But the most important part is the inclusion of the agency technology right in the front end that lets you create client accounts, and you can even assign workspaces and campaigns to them. And it also means you can create campaigns for other businesses and sell it to them for top dollar, just how the people on Fiverr are doing it. Now you can charge anywhere from $200 to $1,000 depending on the service that you're offering, and help individuals and local businesses take advantages of NFC technology. And that's the opportunity with JusTap that we are talking about. You can use it for your own business and enjoy the benefits, or use it for other businesses to make profits. So who needs these NFC services? Well, anyone who needs a better way to network, an efficient way to generate leads, showcase products, collect payments, increase sales, and they can do it all with JusTap. So we're talking about business owners, freelancers, agencies, individuals, corporates, real estate agents, coaching classes, gym owners, yoga studios, daycare centers, restaurants, clothing stores, jewelry shops, cafes, artists, hotels, pubs, bars, spas, pet care services, grocery stores, lawyers, and the list goes on and on. So if you're one of them, then don't miss the opportunity to make JusTap yours for a ridiculously low one-time price. You see, other businesses are charging more than what you would pay to get this app for just one business card with limited features. And you can check out a detailed comparison on the page below. But with JusTap, you're getting so much more than just the digital business card. So let me quickly summarize this for you. You're getting the first to market NFC app contactless digital business cards, thousands of local business uses, there's no monthly or yearly fee, there's no learning curve, step-by-step training, complete searchable knowledge databases, done-for-you templates, extraordinary support, included agency rights, plus you're getting all the special bonuses listed on the page below, but just for a limited time. And remember, you are backed by 100% money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. NFC is booming right now, and it's going to explode. And JusTap is a perfect opportunity to tap into both the digital business cards market and the local business market. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and grab your copy of JusTap right now for a super low one-time price. And remember, you're backed by 100% money-back guarantee, so scroll through the rest of this page, click the button, and on that note, I'll see you on the inside. Take care.
Okay, so I'm back. This is what the backend area is going to look like after you purchase, but of course there are multiple OTOs. So the first one here is unlimited business cards and local business campaigns, unlimited leads, and professional features. This one's a $77 one-time offer. The next one here is you can unlock your Ready to Profit NFC agency with unlimited client management and fully done for you client getting kit. So if you want to actually make this into a business and start providing this as a service, then that will help out here. That looks like it's about $47 for this one. Next one here is a done for you template vault with easily customizable business cards and local business templates. This one right here is $77. The next one here is you can sell JusTap as your own to individuals, agencies, and businesses and keep 100% of the profits with the white label edition. So that one is $97. Then they also have a Insta wrapper thing for like adding wrappers to video. So this is an optional add-on to this one for doing video marketing. And this one's going to be, they don't have the price on here. Oh, no, they don't have it on here. Anyways, that one is going to be a reasonable price on there. Maybe I can see that on the bundle discount page here in a sec. But okay, so you can either go through the sales funnel or you can get the bundle discount. The bundle discount is going to give you everything. It's going to give you the commercial license. It's going to give you the professional. It's going to give you the agency. It's going to give you the done for you package, the white label, Insta wrapper, which is, here we go, $47 for that one. Everything there. And normally they say the total bundle is $20,000, but of course you're going to end up paying less than you would here. You can get for $297 minus, if you use this discount code, it's going to be $247. So you can save a bunch of money if you were going to buy this all separately. It's up to you how you want to do this. You can go through the sales funnel. You can get the bundle. It's your choice. Okay, so what do I like about JusTap and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, it might be a little confusing to explain this to business owners. So if you're going to be trying to sell this as a service, you're definitely going to want to show them real examples of this so that they actually understand what you're talking about. What do I like about this? This is a neat technology. This is the first time I've ever seen anything like this. If you want to get in on something and start providing this as a service to your clients or using it for yourself, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my JusTap review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.